Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to Belly Dance Tutorials. In today's class I'm gonna continue with some advanced isolations. I hope you watched my previous video where I did a little recap of some of the isolations that we're gonna use and a little bit more in-depth and detailed technique for that. Now we're gonna put some of this together in some combinations. So the purpose of this classes for this series is to learn how to combine isolations for drum solos mostly for drum solos or for other accents that are used in various songs. So we're gonna try to make them accentuated and crisp and clean we'll do some combinations that are very interesting for the audience to watch and very challenging for us to execute. All right, so I'm gonna go over some of the box movements, hips and chest box movements. That's I think how they are called, box or square, I'm not sure. But we're gonna combine hip movement with chest movement. So one of them is gonna look like that. Yeah, and we'll do variations of that. So what I'm doing now is a hip lift, chest up, hip lift, chest down. So I'm moving from one place to the other. I'm moving from hip to chest to hip and chest. And start again, hip, chest, hip, chest. So the movements are up, 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 down. Hip up, chest up, hip up, chest down, hip, chest, up, 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 down. Yeah, so we'll do it a little faster. And up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up, down. Yeah. Now let's try on the other side. We're gonna go up on this hip, up with the chest, up with the other hip, down with the chest. So you lift the hip up, lift the chest, lift it up, lift other hip and lift it up. Now drop the chest and lift it down. Yes? So once we touch the points in space, we just leave it there until we come back to that part. So don't forget, arms extended, nice. Can be completely extended if that looks better on you, or a little rounded. Upper body lifted, shoulders back and down, a slight backward tilt or leaning, yeah. Chin up, yes. And then try to make the movements as big as you can. So in time, you'll create more flexibility and strength in your muscles, and then the amplitude will increase. But you try to make them visible. All right. So let's start again on this hip. So up, 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 down, up, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other one. Up, 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 down. Up, 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 down. Up, 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 down. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Yes? All right. And you can do numerous combinations like this. You can play with downward. So we're gonna do now downward. So I'm gonna go down. I hope you watched my previous video. Yeah, it's a slide down, then a lift, a slide down, and a down. Hip down, chest up. Hip down, chest down. Down, up, down, down. I think, right? So we're gonna slide down on the hip, chest up, slide down on the other hip, chest down. So we're gonna go down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right? Let's try again. And hip, chest, hip, chest, hip, chest, hip, chest. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right? Let's try it on the other side. So we're gonna go down on this hip, chest lift, down on the other hip, chest drop, down, up, down, down. All right, so on this side, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? You can play with starting with the chest, adding the hips later if you want to, explore various combinations, but it's basically ups and downs, and then you can switch between chest and hips. So again, you can start with the chest, up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Yeah. So yeah, just try various things. You can do down, 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 up. So you're gonna do on the hip, hip down, chest down, hip down, chest up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right? Play with that too. You can explore all these things on yourself if you understand the principle, and I think you do at this point, and try various combinations, because these are accents in a drum solo, but every doom and tech may sound a little different depending on the actual instrument, or the tabla, or the drum that they use. And the drummer can switch between dooms and techs, so you have to hear it in the music, and the music will tell you how to move and where, if it's an up or a down or a chest or a hip. So you really follow the music, and that will tell you, what of these combinations work best for that music. But you have to practice all of them. All right, so let's move on, and then we'll do chest and hip, just up and down. So we're gonna do hip up, chest down, hip down. So we're moving from hip to chest, down chest, hip chest. So it's gonna look like this: up, up, down, down, up, down, down. If you want, you can add a head. Up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. Yes, if you want to add that. But I'm gonna focus just on the hips and chest. So I like to start with the hips on this one. So it's gonna be, we practiced this last time, yeah, so watch the video. We're gonna go up. So we practiced the pelvis rocking movement up and down last time, so make sure that you got that well. So the movement is up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Yeah. So these are the drills that I want to do today. We'll do this on music, and later on we will add some more things to it. Okay? All right. Up, 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 down. Yeah? Let's go a little slower. Yeah, let's go a little faster now, on the same side. Let's try the other side. Go slow. Up, 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 down. Again, up, 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 down. A little faster. Let's try it down, up, down, down. Hip, chest, hip, drop. A little faster. A little faster. One more time. Let's try other side. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. A little faster. One more. This was fast. All right. Let's try chest up and pelvis up. So start with the pelvis. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Let's add the head. Yeah? No head, yeah, just hips and chest. Let's start with the chest, up, down, then hips, down, up, chest, up, down, hips, down, up, down, up, down. And a little faster. Yeah? All right, dancers, I hope you'll practice these drills a few times. You'll really have to practice them for a while. It can be weeks, months, or years. They will get better and better over years as you keep practicing them and going back to them. So yeah, don't be, sad or that if you are not there yet, or you feel like you are not where you want to be right now. But it takes a while. It's a brain exercise, also not just a muscle exercise, and it takes a while to get a coordination between these body parts. But keep practicing, and they'll get better and better in time. And then we'll add more to it. So once you're comfortable with switching between hips and chest, you can add more layering movements. And we'll get into that a little later. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you next time with more fun drills. Shimmy, shimmy.